Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kathy. Welcome. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about, it's going to be like a chit chat video about where I've been and my mental health, all sorts of things. I do want to just let you guys know before I get into this video is this is not going to be a makeup tutorial, but I have several videos of in-depth tutorials on my channel, so you guys could check my channel out and see if that is something that you're interested in. Also, with these products, if anybody is interested, everything is listed down below. I listed the shade, the link to everything. So yeah, that's it as far as like makeup related. I did want to talk to you guys about so many different things, but I didn't think I would have a lot of time, so I just might make a second part, or just like an in-depth life update on my channel. But we'll see about that. It really do feel good talking to you guys right now. I'm not gonna lie, it feels really good just editing this video, because this video is actually really old. It was about like 4, 5, 6 months ago. I don't remember, but I know it was a while ago, and I was really gonna delete it, but I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do that. Let's just make this video and keep the ball going, you know what I mean? Let's just start with this video and let's just talk about the elephant in the room. Where have I been? And honestly, guys, if I had to be quite honest, I've been in my head. I've been in my head. I'm not joking, guys. I've been in my head. I've been like really going through things mentally. But I just want to explain why I've been going through this. So, if anybody obviously is new in this channel, I really started taking my social media really serious, and back in 2017, I would say mainly on Instagram. Let's just start with Instagram. I started really taking, my content creation back in 2017. This was by far one of my favorite eras. I was just at a very great place in my life. I was a sophomore in college or something like that. I was just at a great space. I don't know how to explain it. A space that I just want to go back to, right? And doing makeup was just more of like a side hobby. I was a full-time student, and whenever I did have the time, I would sit in my room and do makeup videos or learn about makeup. There was times where I would like just do my makeup for fun. I would do all sorts of like eye work, the little like all the little arts you can do with eyeshadows. That's what I was doing. I was like learning how to apply eyeshadows at this time. To say the least, I wasn't even making money. I was making $0. Like, I knew people were really making money, but I know I wasn't, and I was the happiest, And that's so crazy to say right now, because, we live in this day and age where everything you do, it has to make you money. I'm just taking you guys back to where, money was not a thing in my head. So now that I talked to you guys a little bit about, where I've started, and, I was just very successful. I was so consistent. I was feeling myself at this time, for sure. Because like I was getting so many supporters left from right. I didn't even know how or why, but I was. And this is when Instagram just was not that serious. This is when algorithm wasn't even a word or a thing. Everything was just simpler. You know what I mean? Everything was just simple. I felt like within these past 2 years, I would say a little bit after 2019 and, up until now, I just started feeling very disconnected with my flow of things, and disconnected with my life and just every aspect of my life, if I have to be quite honest. I lost my flow of things, and it really started bothering me mentally, because I felt like with the new change with Instagram and just social media in general, I honestly didn't really know how to keep up with everything. I was so used to knowing how it worked out for me back in 2017 or 2018, and then now I'm in 2022 where I don't even know how to like maneuver with the new change, and I just really lost so much motivation, and I've been praying that I could get that drive that I had in the past. And I would say that that is something that I've been dealing with for like the past 2 years. And honestly, I didn't even think I would be sitting here talking to you guys anymore. Like, at a point, I really thought that it was done with. A couple months ago, I deactivated my Instagram account, and I didn't even care to come back anymore. I just wanted to be gone, live in reality. If I had to really make long story short, I just wanted to disappear and just live like a regular, simpler life. Basically, I guess to summarize everything that I've been saying, I just was overall at a very bad space within these past 2 years. And it was just not only this year, it was like 2 years. Like, I've been fighting this for years. And I'm over it. I'm so over it. It's kind of like, damn, Kat, like, you really let all these years go by, and you're just in your head about things, and people is telling you things about yourself, and you don't even believe it, you don't even see it. Like, that's crazy. That is just so crazy to me. It's just so crazy how when I get into this very depressive state, or I'm sad at a moment, or whatever, roller coaster ass emotions, I really be wanting to like stop everything. I can't do that anymore. Like, it's so toxic. It's so toxic. It's very unhealthy. And that is something that I had to learn a couple weeks ago. I had to really do some big self-reflection. Like, I be giving up. I give up too fast. Anybody that is so successful with whatever they're doing, they never gave up. They never gave up. And I really want to just tell myself that every day. Like, do not give up. No matter what goes on in your life, or, you know, what you may be going through, or if things may be occurring, whatever, like, just keep going. To be very disciplined, and you just gotta be, it's just tunnel vision at this point. I really want to fight the odds. Like, I don't want to compare myself anymore. Everybody has their own life. Everybody has their own lane. Some people may be more successful than you. Some people may achieve the things quicker than you. Maybe it only took somebody 10 days to get it, but it might take 10 years to get it. Because I really be giving up. I'm not gonna lie, I be giving up so quick. I could have really been further. Overall, what I'm saying is, for next year, I want better for myself, and I know you guys want better for me. I want to start posting consistently, and I want to just go back into that time where doing makeup and posting things on my YouTube channel and on Instagram was just a side hobby. That is all I want. I'm just trying to find my balance in life when it comes to being a content creator. Yeah, I just want to like break into a different side of me. You know what I mean? Like, I really want to fight the odds. I want to fight myself. I want to like fight my mental health. I want to, you know what I mean? Like, I really want to like break out of that habit and, you know, just close this chapter. And I want to bring in 2023 into like a more positive, not giving up, and just keep going. Like, no matter what, like, keep going, because it's gonna pay off at the end. No matter what you go through, it could work out. So I just want to tell myself that, and I want to just let you guys know that as well. For anybody that is going through what I'm going through, and it don't really necessarily has to tie it down to like content creating or anything. It could be any little thing about your life. You know, if you want to do something, next year in 2023 is the year to do it. Like, don't even worry about the money right now. Just worry about being consistent and not giving up and just doing your part. If you are a firm believer of God, because I am, God will do his part. You know what I mean? He will blossom all that hard work, all that labor that you put into your craft and your talent and the passion that you have. And he will make it, he will just double it. He will multiply that. Overall, I just want to end this chapter. I want to just leave this for good. Like, I'm so serious. I want to leave this for good. I want to leave all this unhealthy, like, thoughts in my head, bring new things into my new year, and, you know, just be able to be myself again, be able to go back into that 2017 era, even though I would never be able to live in the past or whatever, but I want to be able to, like, get that flow and that motivation that I had in the past, so I can be able to like put out new content. Ooh, my camera really cut off on me, but I apologize. Back to what I was saying, I really want to just go back to that space where I was very motivated, very consistent. And even though I was not making money, could you believe that? I was not making no money, but I was so much happier at that time than the times that I was making money for some odd reason. As this year is ending and we all are entering into 2023, I like, listen, I just don't have time to play around anymore. I don't have time to waste time anymore, because I think that's what I've been dealing with. I kind of be thinking and regretting like all those times I just been wasting time, and that would not be of me anymore. Them wasting time days are over. Being in my thoughts, them days are over. Being lazy, them days are over. Procrastination, them days are over. I'm telling y'all, like, maybe I had to go through this to really like be stronger and be more disciplined, I would say. And I learned my lesson. I took a lot of L's this year. This year was just like crazy. I took a lot of L's this year, but I'm moving forward. I'm moving on, and I'm leaning to God. That's it. Not to my understanding, but to God's understanding. Everything will always make sense to God. It may not make sense to me right now, and it definitely will never make sense to you guys. But, time will tell. But I know I have to do my part, and you guys should do your part as well. And just move forward and learn from your lessons. That's it. Learn from your L's and call it a day. But I know I spoke a lot about the negative side of this year. I went through a lot of great things. I can't talk about it in this video because it's just going to be a lot to say. But I guess for me to close out this video, hope that you guys have a happy holiday and a happy new year. And I will see you guys next year. Woo! Bye.